Welcome to Alex Ultimate Adventures. By the way, I'm Alex. And I have a mess surrounding me. Why? Because today I am going to be packing for Iceland. I actually don't have time to pack like the day before or during the week, so I had to make time today. I have a very big national board exam coming up, and I have two. I have one that's for the whole United States, and then the other one that is for my university. And so I don't have time to pack, and the only time that I do have time to pack is when I have little small bits of time like today. And I haven't been feeling good. It's not COVID related. It's just more I feel like something like the temperature is changing, so my body changes with the temperature at times. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, welcome to my mess. So today I'm gonna be talking about Iceland and what I'm going to be bringing to Iceland. I'll also make a video after I come back from Iceland, what I regretted bringing and what I should have brought. So kind of just tips and just tips and overall of how like I would have gone in a different route if I would have known certain things. But for right now, I've searched, Googled, and watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos on Iceland. I'm going to be going with the EF Ultimate Break group. It's gonna be my first time, and it's gonna be we're gonna be there from March the 6th to March the 11th. So by the time you're watching this, I'm already back at my house and just studying for my national board exam. So yeah, so today I'm going to start off with things that I think that I'm really going to need. For instance, the first one are like the hot warmers, the COVID test. I need a COVID test. So I decided I'm very OCD with bathrooms. So I decided to bring my waterproof toilet seat covers, my wipes, my disinfecting wipes. So I bought this through Amazon. It's called Yoto, and it's for the iPhone for when I have it on the water for when we go to the Blue Lagoon. I have my toiletries in one bag, lip balm. My mom got this for me, which I'm very, very grateful. It came right in time. I also got more wipes, but I don't think these wipes are like disinfecting wipes. They smell like soap, so it just could be soap wipes. I'm not sure. And okay, so I also got for the plane some wet gloves. It's gonna be wet over there, so I am not intentionally bringing anything related that is with bad with water. So I also got two vests. They're both red because I like the color of them. My bathing suit for the Blue Lagoon. And then a bunch of socks that I might need. It's just more when I'm like at the hotel and I'm about to go to sleep. But I'll probably add more socks along the way, and you'll probably see it throughout my videos. Like I'll probably mention it like, oh, this is something that I needed to bring more, you know? Who knows? I got my wallet and my passport with the money in here. And of course I got this beautiful handbag for my mom. I don't know if it's called a handbag, but in here I'll be putting like wires, cables, and stuff like that. I also got, I packed with this, so I have extra headphones in here, an extra cable for charging, and this adapter to plug it in the wall. I know Iceland has different for, what is it called? Different types to plug it in. I don't know what it's called. But it's like different types to plug it in, and yeah, so I have that. So I have that in here. And this is a must. Because I need to charge my phone. And yeah, so that's for my utilities, and these type of stuff is gonna go primarily in my handbag. I also am bringing an umbrella, and I'm bringing my water bottle. It is this one. I bought it through Amazon. I think it's pretty cool. It has water in it. And yeah, so the next cut is, for the trip, I decided for, I'm gonna basically do, so I'm bringing 3 dresses just because for the dinners, I don't know, I like to have variety of things. I'm a girl who like can't just choose one thing at a time. So like at the day and time, I might think, oh, this is something that I might wear, but then I think back and I'm like, oh, I should have brought this dress, or I should have done this. So I'm bringing 3. So I have one that is completely up to my neck, one that was given to me by somebody very special, and this I found in the co-op. Most of my things that you see primarily are from the co-op, and a co-op is a place where we have at my school that we can get things for free, and they help us to get a lot of the things that we probably might not be able to afford. But I also got this dress from there, and it's pretty. I was like, it's very pretty. I might wear it during the last dinner or the first dinner, depending on it. I'm bringing it along. Maybe it could be a mistake, maybe not, who knows. I'm also bringing shirts. These 2 shirts primarily are going to be for hiking. I'm gonna do a lot of hiking. There's 2 days where we're gonna go to waterfalls and stuff like that. So speaking of waterfalls, I have a raincoat suit in here, hoodies. I'm gonna bring my PJs and a towel. It's very light. I'm also gonna be bringing this purse. I'm still debating on whether or not I should bring it, because I am gonna be bringing my book bag, this one, and I'm gonna bring my laptop with me as well, since the whole situation with COVID, not wanting to, like, just in case if I do get it over there, I have my laptop with me and I can do my homework and all that stuff, and I wouldn't have to worry about it. So I also got masks and a whole bunch of them. And yeah, I think that's primarily, oh, and a lot of underneath clothing. I'm pretty sure this is underneath 50 pounds, so I'm bringing a lot for a trip that is basically 5 days, but honestly, in my head, I need these things. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna bring my, like I said before, I'm gonna bring my laptop. I'm gonna be studying in the airplane for my national board exam. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. And the next clip is gonna be a time lapse of me putting everything into the luggage. So I'll see you guys then.